curb ramp. Curb ramp can be oriented parallel to sidewalks. This design provides an option where limited space precludes a top landing. A level landing 48 inches long minimum accommodates maneuvering between runs and right angle turns and connecting routes. 48 inches minimum required, 60 preferred. Why 60? If we go back to chapter 3, that's a turning space. Minimum turning space, 60 inches diameter circle. That's why it's preferred, but we're only required 48 inches minimum. Now this is your ramp, 2 ramp segments for this design. 112, 8.33% max. Cross slope is always 2%. And this should be level. Whenever you say level, you want 2%.
For everyone who does private property and the city or the county has mandated that you do sidewalk improvements, if you have a entrance to vehicular way out of a parking lot and you have a slope entrance, this is a good alternative.